Geography: Iran, Middle East, bordering the Gulf of Oman, the Persian Gulf, and the Caspian Sea, between Iraq and Pakistan. 19th largest country in the world. Land boundaries: total 5,894 kilometers. Border countries: 7, Afghanistan 921 kilometers, Armenia 44 kilometers, Azerbaijan 689 kilometers, Iraq 1,599 kilometers, Pakistan 959 kilometers, Turkey 534 kilometers, Turkmenistan 1,148 kilometers. Coastline: 2,440 kilometers. Iran also borders the Caspian Sea 740 kilometers. Population 2023. Total 87,590,873. 17. Largest in the world. GDP 2023. Total $1.7 to $5 trillion. 19. Largest in the world. Tensions escalated between America and Iran after Iranian students took over the American embassy in Tehran in November 1979, detaining embassy staff until January 1981. Consequently, America severed its diplomatic ties with Iran in April 1980 till to date. Iran is likely to test fire its nuclear bombs any time to become the 7th nuclear-armed country in the world. Shahd 136, in the form of an autonomous pusher-prop drone. Iran is considered as a global leader and superpower in terms of drone warfare. Sajil is an Iranian solid-fueled MRBM. Iran has the largest and most diverse ballistic missile arsenal in the Middle East. Iran ranks the world's 5th country with hypersonic missile technology. On January 20, 2024, Iran achieved a significant space milestone by successfully launching the Suraya satellite into its highest ever orbit of 750 kilometers. This marked the first instance of Iran placing a satellite in orbits exceeding 500 kilometers. Iran ranks 15th in the world in nanotechnologies. In 2006, a sheep was successfully cloned by scientists in Iran using the method of somatic cell nuclear transfer at Tehran's Royan Research Center. Iran's stem cell research is recognized among the top 10 in the world. Iran Khodro Car is the biggest car manufacturer in the Middle East.